guys, welcome to China's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you something that I've been doing for quite some time now. And since I started doing this, I noticed a huge improvement in the complexion of my skin. And as well, I used to have some dark marks all over my face. But since I started doing this, I noticed that the dark marks have faded significantly. And presently, pimples and acne are all stories of the past. The efficacy of this particular beauty therapy cannot be overemphasized. Once you start using it, you discover that it gives you a uniform complexion from head to toe. And the best part of all this is that it is made from natural ingredients that you can get easily anywhere. So for this therapy, you are going to be needing oranges. Now, when I say oranges, I don't mean the entire orange. For this, we are going to be needing just the peel of the orange. So that is another great way of making good use of your orange peels. Instead of just discarding them, you can put it to good use. We are going to be using these orange peels to make orange peel powder. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how this is made. So over here, I have some organic oranges, and like I said before, I'm going to be using just the peel of the oranges. Now I'm going to peel the oranges. I'm using just 3 oranges because I'm making this in small quantity. This video is strictly for illustration purposes. In other words, the quantity of orange peels you want to make will determine the number of oranges to use. So yes, feel free to make as much as you want. You can even make this for commercial purposes because I'm very aware that orange peel powder is sold in organic skincare markets in Nigeria. So you can even start up your own business because the sale of organic skincare materials is a lucrative business here in Nigeria. So while I'm peeling the oranges, I want to give out my very first shout out on this channel, and it goes to Flourish, and she's watching from Benue State in Nigeria. Thank you so much, Flourish, for watching. I really appreciate you. If you want me to also give you a shout out, please tell me your name and where you're watching from in the comment section, and you'll be sure to get a shout out from me in my next video. So I'm done peeling the oranges, so right now I'm going to wash the orange peels. Once you're done washing, you get an oven tray or any oven safe tray. You place the orange peels in it and then you dry in the oven. You can as well sun dry this by keeping it under direct sunlight for 3 days until it is perfectly dried. The dried peels should be very crisp and they should literally break into half. So right now I'm preparing this for blending by cutting the peels into small pieces in order to aid the blender. After cutting them, you transfer into a blender and grind it to powder. After grinding, you transfer the orange peel powder to an airtight container, preferably glass jar, and store it away from direct sunlight. Now that's how you get your orange peel powder. Once you have your orange peel powder, what you're going to do right now is that you're going to get any liquid soap of your choice. That's a shower bath. Now, mind you, it doesn't have to be a lightning soap because the orange peel powder already have lightning properties. So combining this with a lightning soap is going to be disastrous. So you get your shower bath of your choice, any shower bath of your choice, a mild shower bath of your choice. It could be a moisturizing shower bath. And then you get your orange peel powder and add about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons into the liquid soap, and then you shake it properly and then keep it aside for 7 days to ferment. After 7 days, you bring it out and you start to use. Now you don't use it every day. You're going to use this alternatively. What I mean by that is that you're going to use, like, supposing you have a sensitive skin, you can use yours 2 times a week. But if you have a normal skin or a less sensitive skin, you can use yours 3 times or 4 times every week. And then you are going to have a very good and very beautiful complexion. You can also use this with a scrub. All you have to do is to get any favorite scrub of your choice, and then you add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange peel powder into the scrub, and then you scrub your body. While using the orange peel powder with the scrub, you have to use like once or 2 times a week. But I prefer to use mine with the liquid soap because I'm not the scrubbing type. So I prefer the liquid soap. But if you're the scrubbing type, you feel you have the time to do all that, well, fine. You can use a scrub. And I bet you, once you do this, you're going to have a very beautiful and flawless skin. We have come to the end of today's video. So if you like this video, kindly support my channel by liking this video, subscribing if you haven't already, and by sharing this video across all social media platforms. Share with your friends, with your well-wishers, even to your enemies. If you want me to grow, please support me by sharing this video to your enemies. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.